Welcome back. You're watching Quest for Quiz, the qualifying round for TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. The scores are St. Mary's Primary on 7 and Bellefield Primary on 10. It's now time for the Junior Challenge Face-Off, which covers math, science, English language, and social studies. The teams have already made their selections for each face-off. So let's begin with the face-off in mathematics. And this is between St. Mary's captain Joshua Howell and Bellefield's Shannalee Jennings. Joshua, we begin with you. If an article is bought for $24 and sold at a gain of 25%, what is the selling price? Would you like to try, Shannalee?
No, miss.
It's $30. Joshua, what is the next term in the series 1, 3, 5, 7?
9.
Correct. What is the value of 7.18 multiplied by 1,000?
7,180.
Correct. How many articles are in 5 score?
25.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Shannalee?
No, miss.
It's 100. And Joshua, what is the sum of 10.9 and 4.5?
25.4.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Shannalee?
Yes, please. 15.4.
That's correct. Your questions now, Shannalee. If an article is bought for $40 and sold at a gain of 20%, what is the selling price?
$48.
Correct. What is the next term in the series 3, 6, 9, 12?
15.
Correct. What is the value of 44.6 divided by 100? Would you like to try, Joshua?
Yes, please. 4.46.
Incorrect. It's 0.446. Shannalee, how many articles are in 3 baker's dozens?
36.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Joshua?
No, thanks.
It's 39. And Shannalee, what is the sum of 11.7 and 6.6?
18.3.
That is correct. That's the end of the math face-off. We move on to the face-off in science between St. Mary's Anajoa Devu and Bellefield's captain Joshua Thompson. Anajoa, what is the largest organ of the human body? Would you like to try, Joshua?
Yes, miss. Skin.
That is correct. And Najwa, what part of the body does a cardiologist specialize in?
The heart.
Correct, but please speak up a little louder. If someone is myopic, are they nearsighted, farsighted, or possess normal vision?
Nearsighted.
Correct. Which simple machine with a sloping surface is used to move objects to higher places?
A pulley.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Joshua?
Yes, miss. Wedge.
Incorrect. It's an inclined. We'll accept? We'll accept. Judges have accepted. Back to you, Anajwa. Which 2 elements make up water? Would you like to try, Joshua?
No, miss.
It's hydrogen and oxygen. Still with you, Joshua, for your questions. Which is the main organ associated with breathing?
The lungs.
Correct. What part of the body does a dermatologist specialize in? Would you like to try, Anajwa?
Yes, thank you.
Go ahead.
The skin.
That is correct. Back to you, Joshua. Is the iris the colored part of the eye, The white part or the black or the back of the eye?
The colored part.
Correct. Which simple machine is a bar that is free to move about a fixed point? Would you like to try, Najwa?
No, thank you, miss.
It's a lever. And Joshua, which two elements make up carbon dioxide? Would you like to try, Najwa?
No, thank you, miss.
It's carbon and oxygen. That's the end of the science face-off. We move on to English language. This face-off is between Adriana Sudlow from St. Mary's and Gabrielle Miller from Bellefield. Adriana, which words in this sentence begin with a capital letter? We went to Italy for the summer holidays.
Italy and we.
Correct. Spell victory.
Victory.
Correct. Which part of speech is the word before as used in this sentence? I have been here before.
Time.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Gabrielle?
No, thank you.
It's an adverb. Adriana, complete the proverb. A fool and his money. Would you like to try, Gabrielle?
No, thank you.
Are soon parted. And Adriana, identify the conjunction in the sentence. The students and the teacher went to the zoo.
And.
Correct. Gabrielle, your questions. Which words in this sentence begin with a capital letter? Mary and Julia went to Mexico last year.
Mary, Julia, and Mexico.
Correct. Spell celebrate.
Celebrate.
Correct. Which part of speech is the word before as used in this sentence? I came before you.
Adverb.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Adriana?
No, thank you.
It's a preposition. Gabrielle, complete the proverb. Don't count your chickens.
Because they will not hatch.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Adriana?
No, thank you.
Before they are hatched. Gabrielle, identify the verb in this sentence. All the boys in the school play sports.
Play.
That is correct. That's the end of the English language face-off. Our final face-off is in social studies between St. Mary's Omisha Weber and Bellefield's Jourdain White. Omisha, in which Jamaican parish is the capital town of Port Maria? Would you like to try, Jourdain?
Yes, Miss St. Mary.
Correct.
Yes, St. Mary.
Omisha, what is the Jamaican name for a ghost?
Dopey.
Correct. Which Jamaican national hero was born in Roxborough, Manchester?
Norman Manley.
Correct. What is the name given to the main town in a parish?
Capital.
Correct. And what is the national motto of Jamaica?
Out of many one people.
That is correct. Your questions now, Jourdain. In which Jamaican parish is the capital town of Black River?
St. Elizabeth.
Correct. What is the Jamaican name for a sharp prickle? Would you like to try, Omisha?
No, thank you.
It's maca. Jourdain, which Jamaican national hero was born in Blenheim, Hanover?
George Vanguard.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Omisha?
No, thank you.
Sir Alexander Bustamante. Jourdain, what is the name given to a place on the coast where ships come to load and unload goods?
Dock.
That's correct. And what is Jamaica's national fruit?
Aki.
And that's correct, and that brings us to the end of our face-off with St. Mary's on 19 and Bellefield on 25. Stay tuned, more Quest for Quiz when we return from this break.